Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. I welcome you once again to the same place for week number 9 for the day 3 workout for today. So for today's workout, I have involved some plyometrics workout with the box step up and with some push up, and we'll do thrusters. So 3 of the exercises. So are you excited? And if so, then let's get started. So we will start today's workout with some warm up sets. So for the warm-up set, what you need to do is you need to lift your legs up and then move it back until your chest is parallel to the ground and your legs is behind you. Then again bring the leg back, higher the knees, and then again drop it down. Then again lift another feet, then again push it back. Once your chest is parallel, keep a good balance, come it back, knees higher, push it down. Try to do this for 5 repetitions for each leg. That becomes 10 repetition. Oops, balance and put it down. That's my second rep. On the knees, good balance, put it down. Believe me guys, it's very challenging to keep a good balance. At first, when you find comfortable level, you'll be able to keep a good balance out of it. Nice and steady, push it down, knees up, right back, nice and steady, push it down, knees up, right back, nice and steady, push it down, knees up, back, and push it down, knees up, go back, and push it down. Once you complete that for 10 repetitions, you move on to the Cossack squats. So your legs should be wider and then move it to the one side into a squat, then get up, then again move it to the other side into a squat and then get up. We'll do 5 each side. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Once you complete this, we'll go for inchworm push-up. So legs wider, go down into a push-up, walk forward, do a push-up, and then again come back. Go down into the floor, walk forward, push-up, and then come back. We'll again do 5 repetitions of total. That is the third one. Push up. Once you are on top, make sure that you extend the leg. Go down, push up, come back. Extend your leg and the hip. Go down, push up, and come back. So once you complete the 5 repetitions, you can repeat this for 3 sets. For today's workout, you need 2 equipments. One is the basic water bottle at your home, and the other is the chair. So for today's workout, I'll show you what to do. So the workout of the day is 20-minute max effort of 20 step ups, 10 push-ups, and 5 thrusters with a single arm. Each set you go for one arm and then drop it, move on to the next exercise, come back and move it with the other hand. So this is the main workout. Now I'll show you how you do it. So for time, we will perform 20 step up. So step up using your one feet on top of the chair and then stand up all the way and then again drop it down, and then from your other leg again step up on the bench and then get up and then again put it down. Every time you step up on the chair, make sure that it is the opposite leg that you're using. So 10 each leg, that makes 20 of the first set. And then as soon as you finish 20 repetition of the step up, what you can do is you can do incline push up on top of a chair. So just hold the chair like this and then you can do 10 push-ups. Otherwise, you can do push-ups on the floor as well. So put down on the floor, go down, touch the chest and come up. So you can do 10 push-ups on the floor, or you can do incline push-ups, right? The third workout will be thrusters. So pick up the bottle in your one arm on top of your shoulders, go down in a squat position, come up and do a shoulder press. Again, put it down on your shoulders, go down and push it up. So you have to do 5 reps. And once you complete 5 reps, drop the bottle, then again do step up. Once you complete 20 step up, do 10 push-ups on the chair or on the floor. Once you complete 10 push-ups, again switch your arm to the other side, on top of your shoulders, down squat and then shoulder press. So this is how the 20-minute gonna look like. So for 20 minutes, you're never gonna stop. You're just gonna roll through these 3 movements till you can complete the 20-minute time cap, and the total round you do, that will be a score for today, right? So all the best for today's workout and hit it.